So I had my goat meat properly washed and marinated. I came back from Medina Market some hours back, so I decided to wash my goat's meat and then just add all the things that I want to add, like this cube here. Okay, so this is the first step. I'm pouring my well washed beef. I already added seasoning cube for now, so I'm not going to add more seasoning cube, and I already added salt. So I'm just going to cover it for it to produce its own water and put it on fire. Leave it there. I did not add water. I'm following what she taught me, so I'm just going to let that cook for a while. While that is ongoing, you have this one washed properly, my tomato, pepper, and this eggplant. This is eggplant. In my country we call it garden egg. And of course this is tomato, and this is habanero pepper. I eat a lot of pepper, in fact. Oh my god, I almost forgot something, guys. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. I tell you I'm coming to visit, and you want to prep food, make sure that you, if you are the one cooking, add more pepper. If it's your mom, just leave it, okay? Don't worry, I'll manage. Yeah, I'll manage it. Before she said, which kind of girl is this? And then she'll change her mind. Imagine me. Hey, so I like to eat pepper a whole lot. So yeah, this one is not necessary, okay? It's not, this part is not necessary. This is just optional. Okay, now my meat's been boiling, but because it's goat meat, it could be really tough. So I want to allow it to boil properly. I'll give it some time to continue cooking, and then I'll come back. Okay, this pot almost got burnt. Okay, you can see that the water is dry. So I'm going to add water. So expect this soup to be very, very spicy. I joke you not. So I'm sorry, dear future husband, you have to learn how to eat pepper. But don't worry, if you don't like pepper, if you're allergic to it, I could compromise. I'm going to add my already washed tomato. This one is small. I'm cooking for just myself right now. So I'm just adding my garden egg. Just gonna put, because I've already added a lot of pepper, I'm just adding a little bit of pepper. Yo, what next? I'm gonna go back to, this water is not enough. It's not enough. They want it to boil, so I'm going to go ahead now and cover it back for it to cook. Continue cooking. I'll be back. Ooh. Every now and then I have to come outside, so that is, the cooking is ongoing. So let me quickly give you guys the latest updates on my channel. Some of you would, are concerned that you should I should find a way that you guys can make donations so I can use that money to create more content. I appreciate that, okay? But because I don't know about Ghana, but in Nigeria PayPal does not work. Friends outside of Africa had in the past tried to help me create a PayPal account so that I can start receiving support on my channel, but then it didn't work out because we realized that in Nigeria you can only make payments, you cannot receive. So I have a PayPal link on the channel down in the description box. if you want to donate anything to my channel, being forced to do this, so don't feel like, oh, I have to do it for Lily. No, you don't have to. If you cannot, I understand, okay? But due to popular demand, that is why I made that happen. Like, I put a PayPal link down there, so it is not, it doesn't bear my name, but all your donations are coming straight to me, okay? Because the person behind the account is a trustworthy person. It's his sister and I trust her a lot. So if you want to make any donations to my channel, kindly go down to the description box and then make a donation of any amount of your choice, okay? It's not something you must do. It is not that bad, okay? But if you want to do it, I will appreciate it. If you cannot for now, I will understand. There's always another time. We are still here. Yeah, even though I know very soon we should be making lots of money, you get it? But then, yeah, so that's the only way to support me right now if you want to, okay? So shall we go back inside and continue cooking my delicious, yummy, dear future husband, you have to be a good boy, okay? So after some time, this is boiled. What I don't know is if I'm okay with the choice of the meat is not soft yet, so I'm going to leave it to boil properly. So the reason I allowed it to cook this long is because of the goat meat. I want to make sure that it comes really soft. I don't want it tough when I'm eating. So that is why. So I'm going to go ahead now and remove all my garden egg. Well, here in Ghana, people call it eggplant. You can correct me if I'm wrong down in the comment section, okay? Get busy there. So, dear future husband, if you're watching, just tell me. Please, I don't want married men telling me anything, eh? Married men, you tell me something, I will tell your wife. I will tell your wife. So because the water here is not much again, I'm gonna add some water. I just want it to cook properly. I want this goat meat to be very soft, so I want to use a blender. Technology has made life a lot easier for people all over the world. So I'm just gonna blend it. Alright, so I'm going to pour the mixture, this one that I blend, inside the pot. A bit of habanero pepper and eggplant, garden egg. So you don't have to make it too thick. It will not be fun when it's thick. When it's too thick. So I'm going to add my seasoning cube by Maggi to add a little bit of salt. I've added salt before on the goat's meat. So I'm just putting a little. So that's it. So I'm going to go back and cover it for it to cook for some minutes. Then I'll show you guys the finished look. So this is what I would have used if technology hadn't made life easier for all of us, or if I had no blender. This is what I would have used. It looks like this. Oh my god, I'm filming with one hand. So this is what I would have used, but technology has made it easy. Do you want to see it properly? So let me show you how I've used. But hey, no need for that. There's no need for that, okay? Blender did the job. So you can minus from my bride price, okay, dear future husband, if you do not like your food made with blender, minus from the bride price, no problem. My soup is ready. I'm supposed to put okra soup, I'm supposed to put like okra here if I want to use it, but some people cook it like this and I'm cooking it like this. Okay, so you stay tuned and see what I'm going to use this soup to eat. what I'm going to pair it with, okay? Watch to the end though. Before you tell me I didn't do it well, watch to the end, okay? Stay tuned. Look, I hope I did a great job, guys. Look, okay, so I'm going to be eating it. With rice because this was how I started. You can see the consistency. So some people add okra if you want to. Yeah, I used to eat that, but I prefer this one. I can only add okra to my light soup if I want to eat swallow, like maybe fufu or kokonte. Name them now, banku. Because I'm using it to eat rice, there's no need adding there's no need adding okra. I hope I did a great job, guys. So let's eat. You know what shocked me when I came to Ghana first was that their rice is different. I was like, wow, I like it. I like the smell. I like how it smells so good, and how soft it is. But the only thing I find hard up to date is how to prepare it for it to just cook without having water down. Yeah, but that's the rice that I like, Ghana rice. They have a series of them, like this particular one I'm eating now is Gino. This one is so good as well, but the one I always buy is Lele rice. Everybody in this house knows that I don't buy any other. I buy Ghana rice. I like the smell. You can even eat only the soup. You can eat only the light soup and go to sleep. Just that there's pepper, and I like pepper. Another thing you may not know about me is that I'm not very big on meat. I'm not a big meat eater. Not really. Yeah, I eat chicken and I eat a lot of fishes. Tell me if I made that soup well. This is Ruka. I don't want to show her. She's not dressed. She's just putting on. She's tying a towel. Let me show her face. How is it?
Very sweet.
I did a great job.
Like seriously sweet.
Tell somebody's son to find me now. Somebody's son should find me. Why Jen? Oh, she and there resting. Oh, did you guys hear that? Say it again. Say I'm in English. Hey! Okay, so guys, I'm vindicated. So that means I did a great job. Very simple. So you go and watch the video on YouTube. Can you see me? Not teaching. So I'm not very big on meat. Okay, I'm not big on meat. I eat a lot of chicken. I eat fish. I don't know, for whatever reason, I hardly do a beef here in Accra. But if you know where I can get fresh beef, fresh one, you can let me know. You see me cook and there's no meat inside, it's not lack of money, okay? I'm just not big on it. Thank you for watching. Let me go and finish eating my food. I'll see you guys in my next video.